Imagine if every time you added a log to your dam, the forest thanked you by giving you extra sticks for free. No extra work, no extra wood cutting, just a thank you gift for being a builder. That's not a forest fairy tale. It's called dividend investing. And today, I'm going to show you how to make your financial dam grow while you sleep. Hey there, forest friends. I'm Beaver. Down here by the river, we know that building a big, sturdy dam, what humans call wealth, takes time. Usually you have to go out, gnaw on a tree, and drag the log back yourself. That's like working a job. But what if the trees you planted started dropping logs right at your doorstep every few months? In the human world, some of the biggest trees, companies like banks, telcos, and utility providers do exactly that. They share their profits with you. These are called dividends. Today, we're exploring the magic of the dividend tree and why it's a favorite for us Canadian beavers. When you buy a stock, you own a tiny piece of a tree. Now, some trees, like growth trees, focus all their energy on growing taller and taller. But other trees are mature trees. They're already big and strong. Instead of just growing taller, they take the extra sap they produce, their profit, and distribute it to the animals who helped plant them. Owl flying in. Who? Exactly, Beaver. A dividend is simply a reward for being a shareholder. When a company makes more sap than it needs to keep the tree healthy, it sends a little bit to you as a thank you. Thanks, Owl. In Canada, we have some of the best dividend trees in the world. Think of the big banks or the companies that provide our forests lighting, utilities. They've been dropping logs for decades. Beaver, look! This tiny shrub over by the swamp promised me 50 logs tomorrow. It's the best tree in the forest. Whoa, slow down, Bear. That sounds like a high-yield trap. Owl, who? Listen to the beaver, Bear. In the forest, we look at the dividend yield. That's the percentage of the tree's value it pays out in logs each year. If a tree is worth 100 sticks and gives you 5 sticks a year, that's a 5% yield. But if a tree is dying and its value is crashing, the yield might look huge, like 20%. But if the tree falls over, those logs stop coming. Bear, you want a tree that is healthy and has deep roots. Hey squirrel, what are you doing with my logs? Storing them. No, wait, planting them. If you take the logs the tree gives you and use them to plant more trees immediately, your forest grows even faster. That's a DRIP, a dividend reinvestment plan. Instead of taking the cash, the logs, and spending it on fancy lily pads, you tell the forest to automatically use those logs to buy more tiny saplings. Over time, your 10 trees become 11, then 12, then 20, all without you having to go out and chop a single extra branch. That is the power of compound growth in action. But wait, there's a secret shortcut that Canadian beavers use to keep more of their logs away from the tax wolves. And no, it's not just hiding them in a hollow log. Stick around because if you don't know about the dividend tax credit, you might be giving away 30% of your forest for no reason. Ready to plant your first dividend tree? Here is the 4-step plan. Step 1, pick a sturdy forest. In Canada, we look for blue chip companies. These are the old oaks. Banks, energy, and telecommunications. They're stable and have a history of paying out logs. Step 2, check the payout ratio. Make sure the tree isn't giving away all its sap. If it gives away 100% of its sap, it has nothing left to fix its leaves if a storm hits. Look for a ratio under 70%. Step 3, use a safe burrow. In Canada, put these stocks in your TFSA, a tax-free savings account. That way, every log you get is 100% yours. The tax wolves can't touch them. Step 4, patience. Dividend investing isn't a rabbit race. It's a moose trek. It's slow, steady, and unstoppable. Fox, ahem, let's talk about the dividend tax credit. In Canada, the government actually likes it when you invest in local trees. That's right, Fox. If you hold these stocks in a regular account, not a TFSA, the government gives you a discount on your taxes because the company already paid some tax on that sap. It makes dividends one of the most tax-efficient ways to earn money in the Great White North. So let's recap, forest friends. Dividends are profit-sharing logs from companies. Yields tells you how many logs you get, but don't chase the sickly trees with high yields. Drips let you turn logs back into trees automatically. TFSA is your best friend to keep the tax wolves away. Dividend investing won't make you a millionaire beaver overnight, but it builds a dam that will support you for a lifetime. If you want to learn more about building your financial dam, hit that subscribe button and join our forest community. Tell me in the comments what's the first tree you want to plant. Keep building, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next clearing. Subscribe to Beaver Invests to grow your financial forest and build strong dams.